Hello and welcome. It is the 4th day of April 2017. Welcome. My name is Derek and let's take a look at silver for today. But before the charts, I have the Silver Institute website shown on the screen, as the Silver Eagle sales have been just low as anything, especially as it ended the year, and it was lower than the previous year in 2015. What I'm going to be looking forward to, and have been for many months now, is for the new version of the World Silver Supply PDF to come out with the actual data from 2016. This is the data from 2015. And when I do see that, I'll let you know. But these are what I'm looking at. Haven't read this. Silver in Fashion. Silver fibers help measure athletes' biometric data. And that sounds really damn cool to me, in that I love athletics, I love game theory and competition. And all three of these are affiliated within such. So I've heard things within the WebBot how new technologies later this year are going to be amazed by what's going to be needed with silver and how it's going to rapidly increase its pure demand. So without further ado, now let's move on to the charts. And I've been mentioning so much about how interesting this is moving. Well, 5 of the last 45 days have greater than 2% volatility, days like this. Not many. Most of them are around this number, 1.15. The median volatility is already below 2. And that's not normal. In fact, 1,783 of the last 200 and 2,453 greater than 2%. So when you're getting about a little under 1780 and about 2400 normally, it happens 70% of the time, and now a complete extreme flip-flop, I find this very interesting to say the least. And well, as far as our chart analysis is concerned right now, you have the situation after this going down without any pop, to have this move followed by some sideways consolidation within the band. This is a situation where resistance was established and barely taken out today, because it still hasn't had any pullbacks from this rally. The 18 average of bands will help us determine such, because when it is touched, it will either have its price correction to go down to such, or it will have its time correction when it can manage to slow down enough where this will catch up. Either way, that's what I'm looking for within the next correction. Now, as far as today's intraday move, just because I can show it, I am going to show what the 15-second time frame via Bullion Vault has. And you can get data from there for many different currencies on the different metals: gold, silver, platinum, palladium, I think on the platinum and palladium, and so many different time frames. So I love it. I exported the data, and this is the most short term they got. I got 15-second data, and this shows what happened with a move that went all the way down from 18 1/3 to about 18 2/9, a little over 18 2/9, because this is 2/9 and this is 1/3. It lost within this move about almost 0.5%, and that's normal big move for an extreme microscopic volatile session. Regardless of the fact, when we just flip back to the daily time frame, the support level did come in at previous resistance. So if I was short-term trading, I would be saying, where do I think I want to buy? if it's going to be going lower, yeah, probably around here. And then to get your instant move back to where it was, there's the volatility, of course, in here is absolutely nothing. I could almost eliminate this 18 and just show you, okay, this is the top of 38. This is 23. A lot of the cryptocurrency charts will have moves that might look like this because volatility volume is so thin that it can move, we'll say, like from 23 to 34, maybe in a few hours, and have a chart looking like this. That's normal for these types of things, but this is extreme microscopic volatility. What I liked about silver before, still will, is the fact that it has a lot more than most other things. I'm going to do what I did in school. When you make a mistake, you just exit out and write it in. This is adjusting. So by adjusting, not adjusted, by adjusting the highs to the 1843 level, that was the highs from a few hours beforehand, to this low, I get a Fibonacci upside level of 1855, which coincides with previous high. Notice in here that I couldn't even get a median mark of volatility over 0. Mathematically, what that tells me is that there has to be at least 75 of these 15-second time frames where this thing didn't move. Now, technically it would have, just that within Bullion Vault, they only have the 2 decimals, so I can't see like 18.242, 18.246, stuff like that. Anyway, take care.